And welcome to my channel. It's been years since I did like a video like this, but I'm very excited because this is my apartment tour. Childhood days, I've always seen adults like 21 and up on YouTube, you know, doing the apartment tours all over the world. I mean, I literally saw Priscilla Audiio do her room tour back in the day, and also like so many other YouTubers, especially in the US, they would do like, oh, this is my apartment. So me, I got my apartment recently, and I want to show you everything and how everything works and just what works. So if you're not subscribe to the channel. I'm bringing back that 2016 YouTube vibe. So yes, if you're not subscribe to the channel. So yeah, let's get on with the tour. Walk in, you're met with this place. It looks really messy, but I need to make it more aerial. So it looks really messy, but this is my kitchen. This is my kitchen as a 21-year-old living in Lagos. So I'm going to show you everything. So firstly, we have my cooking area. So this is my cylinder, this is my tabletop cooker. This space, I really don't know what I did this space for actually, because honestly I just did it for like things like water. Then this rubber I used to wash like big things. I think I need to pause that stuff, you know. So this is like where I keep my gas cooker, and then you see my little drum. This is my kitchen drum in case there's no water. The big rubber I used to wash my clothes and some other things like that are very big. I can't use my washing machine, so I have to use my hand, so I use that. So yes, this is my corner, my cooking corner, and I plan on making a lot of cooking videos in this corner. So let's move on to this side. So this is like a messy area, but I'm going to explain how everything works. So go over here, we have my toaster, my blender. It's a blender that has so many compartments. My kettle, electric kettle. We have eggs, onions, spices, and then these are other spices as well, like ginger, cinnamon, and the rest. And then we have my washing area, so you can have a dirty plate and a dirty pot, excuse that. And then my plate rack. So this was gifted to me by a friend for my house warming. So I've not set this up. I'm going to do a video of me setting it up, but this is my fridge. Yes, this is my fridge, Tamashi fridge, and my stabilizer, which I'm going to be plugging here. So I love this mat. This there's something it's called this marble-esque, marble-esque, whatever. And then this drum is for like water if water finishes, but so far nothing. So yes, let me just give you an aerial view of the kitchen. So also I forgot to mention, like, these are all drawers. Here you see my, I think here you see pots. Here like plastics, like rubbers to wash and all that. And then this is like for spoons and whatever. So yes, next going on, you're going to see this beautiful curtain, and then we're in my living area. So this is my room. So this, my living area is divided into two parts. I'm going to start with this part. That's from this place. So this is the main room. I'm just going to do an aerial view as well. Okay, so let's start to explain. Firstly, my TV. You can see DST. I think DST is there. Then curtains. Curtains gifted to me by my uncle. This fan that blows like an AC. My bed frame. And then this is my little corner. I talk to myself. I don't do any makeup essentially, but you can see this. It stacks with a lot of things that are not really vanity table worthy, but you know, it works. And me, hi. So then my chair. So this is my living area. I call this like, this is my bedroom. This is my bedroom. This is where I sleep. But then when you come over to this corner, this is where I work. This is very messy. But yeah, let's show you the bags. So these are my bags. These are not all my bags, but these are the bags I have in Lagos because I'm a copper. So I'm in Lagos and I'm not been able to bring most of my things here except my wigs. like this is complete. But so this is bag and wig area. In addition to my room, you see my big ass cupboard or wardrobe, and then you see my suitcases up, my shoes down. This area is empty. I'm planning to get like a mirror in this section so I can do my, you get the gist. So now this is the sewing area. So this is my machine, my supreme machine. So now at this moment I share the chair for these two sides because I don't have a chair yet, and this is very comfy, although my back hurts. So this is my machine. I was literally watching a movie and I was like, I need to do this apartment tour. So this is my machine. I got this little iron. This area has to be messy because it has materials, it has everything that I can't put here. I can't put it out, so it has to be here. But you see my materials, like things for sewing. My pattern paper is there. I literally have one that I cut recently. This is my emergency light in case I don't have light. So yes, this is my living area. So let's just show you from this part all the way to this part. Yes, let's go. So this is the next section. Let's open this up real quickly. And then we have my bedroom, my bathroom, my bedroom, whatever. So yes, this is it. Nothing special, just this is the toilet area. I have this dustbin I got myself where I keep my pegs and all that. And then you have buckets. Yes, my washing machine is here. Things I can store like my hair products, pads and all that. Yeah, so this is my bathroom. This is an aerial view. So that was the complete house tour. I can't wait to do videos here, like cooking videos, get ready with me and all that. So yes, thank you for watching till the end, and if you did and you've not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. My name is Ochuko. I do lifestyle content, but then I'm trying to get into the funny content as well. But everything I'll start posting like from today, which is Monday. So this is going to be posted on Monday, and just trust me, the week is going to be very, very interesting. I hope to see you next time. Bye.